Today on sci-ology, we're going to go over the structure and function of the posterior auricular vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The posterior auricular vein is located on each side of the head behind the ear. If we take a closer look at the veins on the right lateral view of the head, we can see the right posterior auricular vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates on the side of the head from a plexus of small veins. This plexus of small veins communicates with the occipital vein and the superficial temporal vein. The occipital vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow, and the superficial temporal vein can be seen here highlighted in green. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs inferiorly behind the ear and into the upper neck region. Here it ends by merging with the posterior division of the retromandibular vein. The retromandibular vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. This union forms and drains into the external jugular vein. The external jugular vein can be seen here highlighted in purple. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the ear and scalp area behind the ear back to the external jugular vein on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the posterior auricular vein.